You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we here with another Deva Bratt. Yes, remember say the G on the journey. I've given us one song a day for the whole of January. So we the night same way. So that one I name Single Mothers. SMIP Foundation. Yes, single mothers. Big up on yourself, single mothers. The real single mothers I'm out there. Just want to take the time out to big up all the new subscribers and we forward from the start of the Deva Bratt series. Big up on yourself. I just want to say big up to the other creators them out there where follow suit and start with do the Deva Bratt reaction them too. Yes. So no, big up on yourself, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. You see me? So big up my co-worker them where I get the G this trend same way. Cause the G deserve it. So I'm gonna jump in that one here and hear what the G have to say, man. Let's go, man. Yeah, so Deva Bratt, single mothers. Let's go.
SMIP. My cousin, my sister, my brother, my auntie, my uncle, niece, my grandpapa, my mother, my father, down to grandmama. The whole of we grow by single mother.
Sure.
Single mothers in progress. We did it for you, so don't stress. Straight upliftment, no less. You deserve the best. You deserve the best.
Actually, pull it up and jump it again.
Pull it up and jump it again. Big up all the single mothers them out there. We are do it by themselves. We are play the mother role and the father role. Cause some of them father are deadbeat for real. We know that. Big up on yourself. Let's go.
SMIP. My cousin, my sister, my brother, my auntie, my uncle, niece, my grandpapa, my mother, my father, down to grandmama. The whole of we grow by single mother. Single mothers in progress. We did it for you, so don't stress. Straight upliftment, no less. You deserve the best. You deserve the best.
I wonder if you're going to drop a single father song too. Because I remember saying single father, I'm out here do it too, you know, dog. Remember, you know. So I wonder if you're going to drop that too. Big up all the mothers, them see me. We're not taking nothing from it.
Straight upliftment, no less. You deserve the best. You deserve the best.
Ready?
Single mothers in progress. We did it for you, so don't stress. A straight upliftment, no less. You deserve the best. You deserve the best.
Single mothers are the foundation. We're providing education program, helping the youth so them don't go wrong. Are the recipe that for a proud nation.
Run it again. Bomba.
My cousin, my sister, my brother, my auntie, my uncle, niece, my grandpapa.
Run it
my
again.
mother, my father, down to grandmama. The whole of we grow by single mother. Single mothers in progress. We did it for you, so don't stress. Straight upliftment, no less. You deserve the best. You deserve the best.
For all the people who said them want to see a different side of Deva Bratt, see one ya?
Single mothers
See
in
it ya?
progress. We did it for you, so don't stress. A straight upliftment, no less.
And may I go see which bitter pussy will I go find in the comment section. Come say nothing bad about that song ya. If you say nothing bad about that song ya, I never a mother. I never a woman birth you. Banana tree root them find you.
You deserve the best. You deserve
Banana
the
tree
best.
root.
Single mothers are the foundation. We're providing education program,
Why?
helping the youth so them don't go wrong. Are the recipe that for a proud nation.
School supplies, employment training. You repay the school fee for the mothers was training. More time it not easy at all. Don't go God know the pressure them bearing. Your hearing. Single mothers in progress. We did it for you, so don't stress. Straight upliftment, no less. You deserve the best.
You deserve the best.
Single mothers in progress. We did it for you, so don't stress. A straight upliftment, no less. You deserve the
Ladies!
best. You deserve the best.
No matter if you're from near or far, if you know a single mother, you have to tell this to her.
Yeah.
Please attend the motivational seminar. Don't go rum bar and go smoke no cigar.
Wanna hear that? Please do all the things that the G just say a while ago. Listen to him say again.
No matter if you're from near or far, if you know a single mother, you have to tell this to her.
Yeah.
Please attend the motivational seminar. Don't go rum bar and go smoke no cigar.
No.
On holidays we have treat and dinner. Christmas time I get a gift cause you a winner. We are consider every trial and dilemma. Fish shelter the homeless, them thing that we inner.
Single mothers in progress.
We did it for you, so don't stress.
You don't know this?
No less. You deserve the best.
You deserve the best. Single mother is.
Progress. We did it for you, so straight upliftment, no less. You deserve the best, you deserve the best.
Single Mothers in Progress is here to make a difference. We are here to empower the single mothers. We wish to create more stable homes, and we believe employing the mothers while educating the children will make a change in our nation's progress. This is an SMIP announcement.
Single mothers, no less.
We did it for you, so don't stress. Straight upliftment, no less. You deserve the best.
You deserve the best.
Single mothers in progress. We did it for you, so don't stress. A straight upliftment, no less. You deserve the best. You deserve the best.
What can I say?
You deserve the best. You deserve
What can I say?
You deserve the best. You deserve the best.
Yo, big up the single mothers them we got you to make sure say yo them pitney alright. Them pitney alright. Big up the single mothers them where got them bed hungry for make sure say them pitney get them dinner. You see me? Big up the single mothers them and know say yo, when I go wall out and backlit show. Big up the mothers them and know say yo them not stick around no boy if it ill treat them pitney neither. You see me? Yes. Cause I remember say you have some dirty mother out there, you know. Some dirty woman with them call mother, you know. We not big up them one day, you know. We are big up the single mother, them, the black woman and child them. Big up on yourself. No matter if you're not black, white, or yellow, big up on yourself from you as a good mother. Yes, big up on yourself. That's how we promote away. Deva Bratt. One more again, my G. Big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself. Versatility is showing. We are seat, my G. We are seat. Big up yourself. You see me? Yeah, bro. One more out of the chamber again. Yes, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'll be in the comment section, though. Peace.
JAMAICA'S verse gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. If them disrespect and check, say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me, man, drop it in them. Eddie, no man.